When it comes to selling products online, you've probably heard of LeadPages and SamCart as two of the top tools for creating landing pages and optimizing your sales process. But which one actually helps you sell products more effectively? In this video, we'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of each, and by the end, I'll reveal which one is the real winner for you, plus some bonus alternatives that could take your sales to the next level. Let's start with LeadPages. LeadPages is best known for its drag and drop landing page builder, making it simple to create high converting pages. It has tons of templates to choose from, and you can easily integrate with other tools like email marketing platforms and CRMs. The platform focuses on lead generation, and while it does offer e-commerce features, it's not as robust when it comes to selling physical products compared to something like SamCart. Next thing, let's look at SamCart. SamCart is designed specifically to help you sell products with a strong focus on checkout optimization. Its features are made to increase conversions, like one-click upsells, order bumps, and built-in subscription billing for recurring payments. If your goal is to sell physical or digital products directly, SamCart is more tailored for that. It has a simple and intuitive checkout process that streamlines the purchase journey. Now, there's a trade-off between the two. LeadPages excels at creating high-converting landing pages, but when it comes to checkout and post-sale optimization, it falls short. SamCart, on the other hand, is much stronger in the checkout process and selling products directly, but lacks the robust landing page creation tools that LeadPages offers. So, if you're just looking for landing pages that capture leads, LeadPages might be the way to go. But if you're looking to really optimize the checkout experience and maximize product sales, SamCart is likely your best bet. The fourth thing to keep in mind is pricing. LeadPages starts at a more affordable rate, which is appealing for beginners or those who just need basic landing pages. SamCart, however, comes at a higher price point, but you're paying for the specialized features designed to help increase conversions and make the sales process more efficient. But here's the kicker. While both have their strengths, there are alternatives out there that could potentially give you more value and better serve your needs. These alternatives combine the best of both worlds, offering strong landing page features, checkout optimization, and more, all with a free trial that gives you the chance to test them out without risk. So, here's the deal. I've got an exclusive extended free trial for you to try out one of these top-tier alternatives. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, I'll include some of the best alternatives that are better for the goal mentioned in the title, with free trials that you can start today. Don't miss out on these game changers. Check out the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.